Our innovation, along with our fleet management service, our OnTrack software, has helped bring Ross to the next level. It helps them deliver value to their customers and help them become leaders in their industry.
The fleet management, it's great to be able to just go online, see all your tools, where they are. If you have issues with any of the tools, you can just get in touch with Stephen. He comes out, he'll collect the tools from site or wherever, and he'll sort that out for us.
They're using the fleet management system very well as OnTrack, but fleet, in my opinion, is kind of the main area where they're benefiting the most, because if tools are broke, they have less downtime, they get their loan tools, especially now with the repair centre being in Dublin, they have a turnaround time of 3 days.
The relationship over the last year in particular has developed. So we sat down, we had a two-part analysis with them, and we were fit to identify that we could offer them OnTrack, Neuron, along with the fleet management.
I've been involved in the tagging of the new OnTrack from the very beginning. At the time, it just seemed like a massive task, but we have got there, and we're very content now where we're at with our assets.
I think with Ross as a whole, innovation is at the key of what they do. They're leaders in the industry in Ireland for steel. They're taking on some of the biggest construction projects in Ireland also.
I don't think ownership is an issue anymore. All I want to do is use it. And with the new forum from Hilti, we have the best of both worlds. We have the use of the machine, we have the insurance on the machine, we have the servicing of the machine. So it's one package for us, it's one invoice at the end of the month, and it runs very well.